Time to get an end-to-end view. The VMware vRealize Network Insight monitors end-to-end connectivity for remote sites, data centers, and public clouds. From a single vantage point, users' activity can be tracked as they reach out from the remote locations across the SD-WAN back into the East Coast data center where the HR application is hosted. Broad visibility in this heterogeneous environment represents a key advantage. It gives the ability to pinpoint issues across the virtual and the physical layer, to quickly identify the source of the problem and drill down to investigate. The automatic discovery of a performance baseline allows to detect flows with abnormal latency. This information, correlated with the flow count, shows that the service degradation occurs when a large number of employees try to access the HR application. Thankfully, the real-time application analytics can be used to automatically scale out load balancers and applications. The NSX Advanced Load Balancer controller seamlessly autoscales load balancer by bursting to the cloud and uses GSLB capabilities to balance traffic between the data center and the cloud. Since the NSX Advanced Load Balancer natively integrates with the underlying cloud or data center environment, the controller can also trigger the autoscaling of backend application servers. The Advanced Server Load Balancer configuration now shows new instances of the load balancer on-prem, in the AWS cloud, and a global server load balancer. The dynamic autoscale operates across multiple public clouds like Azure, AWS, and different on-prem geographical locations like the East Coast and the West Coast of the US, adding capacity close to the users. NSX provides connectivity and consistent security for all the applications in this heterogeneous domain. The newly created clusters are now part of a single global namespace which defines the application boundaries. The resources and the workloads that make up the application are distributed across all the data center locations, AWS and Azure. All the services in the global namespace use the same service discovery domain with end-to-end encryption.